Hi, I'm Red the Cooking Dad and welcome back to my channel and happy Thanksgiving. Despite these unprecedented times, there is still something to be thankful about. I am thankful for my family and my friends, and of course to you who have been watching my YouTube channel. But what's Thanksgiving without turkey? So today, I'm gonna make lemongrass turkey. I want it to be Asian style, to be different. But first, if this is the first time you're watching my channel, please consider subscribing if you want to learn how to cook easy, simple, but delicious dishes. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will know when I'm uploading amazing videos. Now back to my video.
If you like this video, smash that like button. How about 1,000 likes, please? Turn on notifications and please subscribe. See you soon!